mga friendship! Welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, let's have a day in my life. Intro muna. Na po siya. So before we go to our appointment, so since I'm on vacation for a week, so puntahan natin ang dapat nating puntahan. So before that, linis tayo ng ating car muna, and while waiting, palamig muna. And then ayan, para fresh po ang aking my loves, and ayan, atin siyang paggagandahin. So, andito po tayo sa garahe car wash. Malapit lang po siya dito sa amin, sa Lahug, Talisay. So, ayan, and it's quite affordable naman. It's 350 for package 1.
A few moments later.
And ayan, tapos na po siya. So, we have to go. Ayan, let's go.
Later.
So ayan, andito na po tayo sa IT Park, and I'm done na po sa China Bank, and bawal po mag-video doon. So ayan, outfit check muna tayo, and it's a choco day. And ayan, since nagutom po, so ayan, let's have the only wings for today. We're here in Wingers Unlimited. So ayan, look at the place, and it's quite different from the first time I've been here. So before, unlimited, ano siya, yung first Wingers na napuntahan ko, it's unlimited milk tea, french fries, and yung drinks hindi siya unlimited. So in here, in IT Park, in Ayala Mall, inside the Ayala Mall, IT Park, they have unlimited drinks and unlimited french fries, unlimited rice, and 5 flavor of chicken. So ayan, and the drinks, they have ice cream, so you can freely choose drinks that you wanted. They have the Pepsi products and the juices that they have, and ice cream as well. So ayan, and the ambience is very nice, and this is the free ice cream, so you can choose the flavor that you wanted. So ayan, and since busog na po kami, so we will have our desserts. So ayan ang dessert, and we're heading home na. So, and it's so traffic. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.